The two questions we get asked most often are, what do you charge for trademarking and why do you charge so much? Now, our answer to the second question is that we charge what we charge because for the price you pay, we do what nobody else in this industry does. I'm Andre Minkov, the founder of Trademark Factory, and in this video, I'll walk you through the 3 unique packages that Trademark Factory offers to companies and entrepreneurs who are serious about protecting their brands.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
Before I walk you through our packages and prices, let's get one thing out of the way first. There is nothing wrong with business owners shopping around for the best deal possible. I mean, as a business owner, you should look out for what's best for your business, right? And I strongly believe that Trademark Factory has by far the best offer on the market for companies and entrepreneurs who are serious about protecting their brands. Now, having said that, if all you're looking for is the lowest price to get your trademarks filed, you're searching for the wrong thing. You see, filing a trademark is only the first and easiest step in a complex process that often takes years. It's just the entry point. While you can't get to the end of the process without starting it, the stuff that actually matters happens after you file your application. I mean, you don't hire your team based on what grades they got in high school, right? So why would you hire someone to trademark your brand based on what they will charge you to file your trademark? It's pretty much the same thing. You know, when it comes to trademarking, the only thing you as a business owner should care about is whether your trademark actually gets successfully registered. But that's not what you get from all these cheap trademarking services that lure you in with their ridiculously low prices, get you to fill out their forms, and then mindlessly submit your data to the government. And then, months later, you discover that your application was refused and that there's nothing you can do about it. And the worst part is, they've done exactly what you paid them to do. They filed your trademark application for you. So if you're looking for the cheapest possible way to get the process started and see if it sticks, we're probably not the right fit, because we're not one of those firms that charge $69, $99, $199, or even $399 to file your trademark. We've seen way too many brand owners lose their brands as a result of using cheap trademarking services, and we would hate for you to join their ranks. Now, do we charge more than the cheap filing services? Sure, but our pricing is based on one simple idea, that business owners who are serious about their business and about protecting their brands only care about the end result, whether their trademarks actually get registered. And that's exactly what you get with Trademark Factory. Okay, so on to our 3 packages. More than 85% of our clients go with our most popular package, the all-inclusive. It covers the entire process from start to finish for one flat fee, and it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Either your trademark gets approved by the Trademarks office or you get a full refund. Now, if you don't need the money-back guarantee and you're okay paying extra for dealing with complex objections from the Trademarks office, you may choose our I Feel Lucky package. It will save you $1,000 up front, but there's a risk that you'll pay a lot more at $350 an hour if we end up spending more than the included 90 minutes to respond to office actions. On the other end of the spectrum, if you want the maximum level of protection, go with the ultimate. On top of what you get with the all-inclusive, it also covers unexpected opposition proceedings, renewals, and lifetime weekly monitoring of newly filed applications in case someone else tries to trademark a brand similar to yours. Now, let's go through each of the packages in detail. No matter which of our packages you go with, whether it's all-inclusive, I Feel Lucky, Ultimate, the first thing we're gonna do is a comprehensive trademark search with a registrability opinion. So in about 2 business days, you will know if your brand has a good chance of getting registered as a trademark. Now, wouldn't you want to know this in advance before you spend thousands of dollars on a brand you may never own? Right? If, according to our registrability opinion, your first choice is problematic, you can get a full 100% refund or get us to do free additional searches until you come up with a brand that you love and that we tell you is trademarkable. Now, let me unpack this for you. If for whatever reason we can't guarantee successful registration of the brand you're married to, you can simply get all your money back. You've just gotten a free opinion on why your brand is not trademarkable. Now, on the other hand, if you understand that there's no point building a brand you don't own, we're going to keep working with you at no extra charge to you until you pick a viable replacement. Okay? Once we're set on what we're filing, we'll arrange for your trademark application to be filed and handled by an experienced attorney or trademark agent. It means your application will have a professional personally responsible for the fate of your application from start to finish, from filing to registration. We will take care of all deadlines, all communications with the Trademarks office. We will even make sure to remind you of any future maintenance filings and renewals. You are never on your own. Now, once again, all of this you get with either one of our packages. The first distinction relates to responding to office actions. With our all-inclusive and ultimate packages, you are covered for any and all office actions that the Trademarks office might issue against your application. No matter how many, no matter how complex. They say they don't like something about your trademark application, we deal with it. No matter how much time it takes. Attorney fees are our problem, not yours. Our I Feel Lucky package, on the other hand, only covers the first 90 minutes. Now, it's enough for most simple office actions, such as disclaimers, minor amendments to the statement of goods and services, and other formalities. Beyond that, you're on the clock at $350 an hour. Now, there's a reason we call this package I Feel Lucky, right? With it, you can save $1,000, but you can also end up spending a lot more than that. Assuming your trademark gets registered, we're going to place your trademark registration certificate in a custom frame and mail or FedEx it to you. And yes, I believe it is a big deal. The certificate represents an important milestone for your business. You now own your brand. We believe that it deserves more than a templated email with an attached PDF. And if, despite all our efforts, the Trademarks office issues a final rejection against your application, you are going to get a full refund. Everything you paid us, you're going to get back. But only if you got our all-inclusive or ultimate packages. There's no money back guarantee with the I Feel Lucky package. Our 100% refund guarantee is the #1 reason most of our clients choose our all-inclusive package. It shifts most risks from you, the client, to us. And if you think this is common sense, you may be right, but this is very far from common practice. In fact, we're the only trademarking firm in the world that does this. We have a separate video where I give more details about our guarantee. Make sure you watch that as well. Now, finally, there are 3 more additional benefits to going with the ultimate package. First, it covers you against unexpected opposition proceedings. What this means is that after the Trademarks office approves your trademark, anyone may ask the Trademarks office not to grant you your trademark. The good news is that oppositions almost never happen. The official stats are somewhere around 1% of all applications. We call them an atomic bomb that almost never goes off. The bad news is that an opposition can result in almost court-like proceedings that last a couple of years, generate thousands of pages of evidence, and often over $10,000 in legal bills. So with the ultimate packages, you can pay a little more and shift more of the risk onto us. It's best to think of it as additional insurance. So the second thing you're going to get with the ultimate package that you don't get with the other two packages are renewals and maintenance filings. So with the I Feel Lucky or all-inclusive packages, we will notify you that you need to renew your trademark, that you need to make that maintenance filing, but we will charge you to do the actual work that relates to that. With the ultimate package, you're covered. So we'll still need confirmation from you that you want to renew. We'll still need evidence that you're still using your mark, but the actual work, you're not going to pay anything to us for our services. Again, that's only with the ultimate, and it's not covered by the I Feel Lucky or the all-inclusive packages. And lastly, with the ultimate package, you get us to monitor newly filed trademark applications and alert you in case we spot a mark that is too similar to yours for as long as your brand is of interest to you. Typically, we offer these services as an add-on at $47 a month. But with the ultimate, you get that for free for a lifetime. Essentially, it pays for itself in just over 5 years. So now the prices. Our most popular package, the all-inclusive, that covers you from start to finish with a 100% money-back guarantee, is $3,000 plus the government fees. $29.95 to be exact. And yes, of course, it's more expensive than the cheap filing solutions, but with us, you get the only result that is worth paying for. You get your trademark approved and registered. And seriously, if you don't feel your brand is worth protecting for $3,000, maybe you should reconsider if your brand is worth protecting at all. Our I Feel Lucky package is $19.95, while the ultimate is $59.95. Like I said, out of hundreds and hundreds of our clients, more than 85% chose the all-inclusive. Looks like it offers the optimal balance of risk and value. If you're a business owner, if you're serious about protecting your brand, and when I say serious, I mean you actually care for the final outcome of the trademarking process, if you care about your trademarks getting registered, if you want to get that framed trademark registration certificate for your brand, if the features that make us unique in this industry speak to you, if you want to trademark your brand with a true result-based 100% money-back guarantee, know that no matter which package you choose, Trademark Factory will do whatever it takes to get you the result you're looking for. If you're ready to move forward with our all-inclusive package, you can use the self-checkout option on our website at trademarkfactory.com. And if you're interested in our I Feel Lucky or ultimate packages, or if you'd simply like to discuss your situation with a specialist, a live person, book a call with one of our strategy advisors. They'll be happy to guide you every step of the way and help you get started. And remember, if it's worth promoting, it's worth protecting. And if your brand is worth protecting, it's worth getting it done right. I will see you on the other side.